Hey guys, we're here at North Sydney. Just about to load up on the ferries. They got some big ones here. We're headed to Port aux Basques, Newfoundland. Takes approximately 2 hours to load here on the ferry, so until you get here early. So we're here, looking forward to seeing the rock and meeting some people over there. Heard the food's good, the people are friendly, and they all tell me watch out for the moose. So hopefully we'll see lots of people, lots of sights, and no moose. Nothing but ocean for 6 hours. Hopefully we got no waves, because I do not want to be puking. Well guys, here's the view from the ferry, and there's nothing but nothing. Makes you realize how small and truly insignificant we are when compared to the Atlantic Ocean. Well, hey guys, I'm starting to get a little leery here. They tell me the seas are calm, but I'm looking at all these bikers strapping their bikes down, and good thing you aren't here, Matt. You'd be getting seasick already just looking at this. Yep. Mind you, those bikes look a little expensive here, so you want to take care of them. How's it going, sir?
Good. How you doing, man? Watch the show all the time. I like to get a picture.
Okay, for sure. Here, okay. Make sure you guys pay for the first class ticket, so they just lock you in the hold and they don't let you out.
They ain't putting me down there.
All right.
I got stuck down there one time.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah? Never again.
Good. How are you guys? It is cool.
As hell.
Oh, so that's why it takes so long to load the boat.
Yes.
You guys got to pack them in like sardines and yes. Oh, here she goes.
That's without the juice.
Yeah. That's how you pack them in. They call this the sardine ferry. Like pretty unreal. Yeah, so they fill the lower decks, then they drop the doors, and then they park cars on top of you. The boat goes down, you ain't getting out. Very cool. I see why it takes 2 hours to load the boat. Yeah. Couple questions. So how many decks are there total? They carry cars, yeah.
We'll put 50 down there.
50 cars? So that's the bottom deck?
That's deck 1.
Deck 2. So deck 1 is the engines?
No, that's deck 1.
Oh, this is deck 1 down there.
You're on deck 3, deck 5.
What's deck 2?
There's no deck though. This is deck 3. And that's McGregor deck. That comes down to the cars on that. Don't you see that? If there's no drops there, that whole thing will go down. That takes cars too. That's called the McGregor deck.
Oh, so that's in between.
No, this here. See that whole...
Oh, it drops down.
Yeah,
so the whole thing drops down, and then you like put cars on and then lift them up and park cars underneath it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see why it takes 2 hours to load this ferry. It's not like in BC, we drive on, drive off in like 10 minutes.
Well, 7 lanes on each deck, right?
Yep. So how many people can this ferry carry maximum capacity? Yep. Cool. Thank you very much.
I'll go, Mike.
Well, they sure pack them in here, guys. Here's the ferry. We're out on the outer deck. Here's the things we don't want to see on the way over, the emergency lifeboats. They got some big ones. Wow. Look at the size of this one. Geez, a big boat, lads. There's another one. I guess that's the scenic one, so you can watch the ship go down with a good view. There's another ferry. I guess the hurricanes canceled the one route, so everybody's coming on this one, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna make it to the front. I guess they turn around. They told me the best view one's at the front. Hey guys, here we are leaving North Sydney. They tell me the boat's gonna spin around, and we got the best view in the house right here. There's one big boat, eh? Yeah, guys, Newfoundland Ferry. This is the bar. I'm just chugging back the Virgin Caesars and the club soda. Met a lot of friendly people, and said it's the best view in the house. Well, guys, we're on the ferry, so what could be a more suitable meal than fish and chips with some extra coleslaw, side of gravy, a little bit of sauce for the fish, some lemon, yum yum. 360. Here we are, guys, deck 9 of the ferry to Newfoundland. If you ever get a chance to hit the rock, I mean, I got lucky, this is a calm day, but it's pretty friggin' amazing, man. Nothing but sea as far as you could see, pardon the pun. Hey guys, when they tell you the weather in Newfoundland sucks, well, here I am on the ferry, heading over to St. John's. I'm just gonna spend the next 3-4 hours working on the old tan, so it's not all that bad. They just lie to you to keep the tourists away. Well guys, I must have brought this weather with us from BC, because they tell me you could take this ferry 100 times and never have a passage this smooth and the weather this good. Well, I mean, the boat's rocking about 18 inches and we're 70, 80 feet up. The seas are about as flat as they get in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. And it's just been an amazing day. Said it's not often you get to work on your tan on a Newfoundland ferry, so you guys are out this way, check it out. I think we're about an hour away from the rock, give or take. Can hardly wait. Well guys, we've been, how's it going? Been 6 hours on the ferry. This is my first view of the rock, and we're just spinning the ferry around. Then they're gonna let everybody go into the cars. Apparently they had to cut 100 feet off this ferry so it could anchor here. I guess she's pretty tight quarters, but pretty cool. So another 10-15 minutes and we should be driving on to Newfoundland. Anyway, here's the other side. See why they call it the rock. There's not much here but rock.
It's the best rock in the world, you can't even think it.
Yeah, it's no Can't eat it either, though.
Oh yeah, you can eat it, lots of caribou on it.
Caribou and moose, they tell me.
That's right. A lot of good material on it.
Yeah, that's right. They brought a couple. Yeah, they couldn't swim this far.
Yeah, they brought a few over, and then a couple of years later, they brought a few more.
Yeah, bred like rats.
Yeah.
Like rabbits in Australia, except a little better eating.
You're gonna tour the whole island, or?
Well, we're driving to St. John's, whatever that means. Never been here.
900.
Well, we'll be putting on probably 2,000-3,000. So
Hey old man, don't drop that phone.
I got a death grip on it.
If you're clumsy like me, I can't hold mine over there.
Yeah, well, nothing ventured, nothing gained.
Just my luck.
Hey, they got the pretty good control on this old scow wave.
And that's something, eh?
Yeah, they got the thrusters going.
Hey, you have an absolutely wonderful time over here.
We're gonna.
And I wish you
I have no doubt it's going to be amazing.
Yeah, it is.
If it's amazing as a trip over, it's going to be wild. So once they get her stopped here, they're going to let us go to our cars, and there'll be a race getting out of here, like the Indianapolis 500, they said.